Hello students, welcome back to my class. In this video I shall be discussing about importance of management to the nation or the significance of management in the country as a whole. In this respect, I would like to discuss 3 points. The first point is proper utilization of natural resources. We all know that natural resources are scarce, natural resources are rare. The resources that we get out of the water bodies like the seas, the rivers, the lakes, or the springs, etc., etc. The resources that we get out of the mountains and hills, the soil, the land, these resources should be wisely utilized, and management helps in proper utilization of the natural resources so that there is minimum degradation and the best possible utilization of the natural resources, keeping in mind that we have to save the planet, keeping in mind that we have to consider carbon footprint of organizations, the impact of organizational activities on climate change, and rational utilization of natural resources of the nation should be emphasized by management, and that's why management is important. Management will help in proper utilization of the natural resources of any nation. The second point is management helps to reform the government and the society. Management of different business organizations are responsible for all different kind of economic activities and social activities. They are responsible for export promotion and import substitution and correcting the balance of payment position of the country. Management will help in increasing the reserves of a nation. Management will help in channelizing the savings of people in the desired direction so that it not only benefits the people but also the organization and the society at large. So management can go a long way in reforming the government as well as the society and bring positive changes in both the government and the society. And the third point is management helps in bringing out social innovation. The social and economic development that we see around us is largely an impact of social innovation. Management takes different steps, management encourages different activities that brings this kind of social innovation, like promotion of entrepreneurship, like increasing productivity, like promoting new ideas, like giving opportunity to new talent, trying new leadership styles, like promoting green marketing practices, like for example concentrating on education sector, focusing on the healthcare sector, and different such activities, even sports. So management can go a long way in bringing social innovation in any particular country, in a nation, and this kind of social innovation will go a long way in bringing the desired economic success in the nation, the desired social success in the nation, and it will also help to develop a healthy population in the country in which people have a sound psychological attitude towards life, towards the economy, towards the profession, and makes the world a better place. So this is the importance of management for the nation. Thank you so much.